Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we see chapter 5 exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Match the following. Straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Straight angle is half of a revolution. One complete revolution is 360 degree. Half of a revolution is 180 degree. So straight angle is half of a revolution. Number 2. Right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. 90 degree is 1 by 4 revolution. So 1/4 of a revolution. Right angle 1/4 of a revolution. Number 3. Acute angle. Acute angle is less than right angle. So less than 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 is right angle. So acute angle is less than 1/4 of a revolution. Four. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than right angle but smaller than straight angle. So between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 of a revolution. 1 by 4 is right angle, 1 by 2 is straight angle. So between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 of a revolution. Five. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. So more than half of a revolution. Question number 2. Classify each one of the following angles as straight, right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. A part. This angle is less than right angle. So this is acute. Acute angle. B part. This angle is greater than right angle. So this is obtuse angle. C part. This is right angle. This is right angle. D part. This angle is greater than a straight angle. So this is a reflex angle. E part. This angle is straight angle. This is 180 degree. So this is a straight angle. F part. Here both the angles are less than right angles. So they are acute angles. Exercise 5.4. Question number 1. What is the measure of a right angle? The measure of right angle is 90 degree. What is the measure of a straight angle? The measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Question number 2. Say true or false. A part. The measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree. The acute angle is less than 90 degree. So the statement is true. B part. The measure of an obtuse angle less than 90 degree. So the statement is false because the measure of an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is false. C part. The measure of a reflex angle greater than 180 degree. So this is true. D part. The measure of one complete revolution equal to 360 degree. So the statement is true. E part. If angle A equal to 53 degree and angle B equal to 35 degree, then angle A is greater than angle B. So it is true. 53 degree is greater than 35 degree. So this is true. Question number 3. Write down the measures of A. Some acute angles. The measures of some acute angles are, example, 20 degree, 40 degree, 80 degree. B part. Write down some measures of some obtuse angles. The measures of some obtuse angles are 120 degree, 170 degree and 140 degree. Question number 5. Which angle has a large measure? First estimate and then measure. So measure of angle A is 40 degree. Measure of angle B 70 degree. So angle A is 40 degree, angle B is 70 degree. So which angle has larger measure? Angle B has larger measure. So the answer is angle B has larger measure. Question number 6. From these two angles, which has larger measure? Estimate and then confirm by measuring them. So name the angle C and D. So if you measure this angle, the angle is 40 degree. D is 55 degree. So which angle is larger? Angle D is larger. So the answer is angle D is larger. Larger measure. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. A part. An angle whose measure is less than that of right angle. So that is acute angle. B part. An angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle. So if it is greater than that of a right angle is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle. C part. An angle whose measure is the sum of the measures of two right angles. The sum of the measures of two right angles. So 90 degree plus 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree is straight angle. So straight angle. D part. When the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is. So when the sum of the measure of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is. So 90 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 45. So each one of them is 45. 45 degree. 45 plus 45 equal to 90 degree. E part. When the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be obtuse angle. Question number 8. Find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. First estimate with your eyes and then find the actual measure with the protractor. So this is 40 degree. So this is 130 degree. This is 65 degree. And this is 135 degree. Question number 9. Find the angle measured between the ends of the clock in each figure. So this is 90 degree. This is 30 degree. And this is straight angle. This is 180 degree. Before going to do exercise 5.5, let's see what is perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. If line AB is perpendicular to CD, we write AB is perpendicular to CD. Let's see exercise 5.5. Question number 1. Which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? A part. The adjacent edges of tabletop. So this adjacent edges of tabletop is perpendicular lines. So yes. B part. The lines of a railway track. The lines of a railway track is not a model for perpendicular line. So no. C part. The line segment forming the letter L. So the letter L. Here we see the perpendicular line. So yes. This is the model for perpendicular lines. D part. The letter V. The letter V is not the model for perpendicular line. So no. Question number 2. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? First draw the line segment XY. XY. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. So mark it as PQ. PQ is perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. So PQ and XY intersect at the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? So the angle PAY equal to 90 degree. So this is angle PAY. So this angle is 90 degree. Question number 3. There are two set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at the corners? Do they have any angle measure that is common? Set square 1. Let's set square 1 equal to 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Set square 2 is 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. So angle 90 degree is common. Question number 4. Study the diagram. The line L is perpendicular to line M. A part is CE equal to EG. We have to verify CE equal to EG. CE equal to, this is CE. So CE equal to CD plus DE. CD plus DE. So CD is 1 and DE is 1. So how many units? 2 units. 1 plus 1, 2 units. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then we have to find EG. EG equal to EF plus FG. EF is 1 and FG is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So EG equal to EF plus FG, which is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Therefore CE is equal to 2 and EG is equal to 2. Therefore CE equal to EG. B part. Does PE bisect CG? So this is PE and this is CG. PE and CG intersect at the point E. CE equal to EG. Therefore, PE is a bisector of CG. CE equal to EG. Therefore, PE is the bisector of CG. C part. Identify any two line segments for which PE is a perpendicular bisector. So this is PE. PE is perpendicular bisector PE is perpendicular bisector for CG. P is perpendicular bisector for CG. Next, PE is perpendicular bisector for BH. BH. Here P is perpendicular bisector for CG and P is perpendicular bisector for BH. D part. Are these true? AC is greater than FG. So this is AC. AC equal to AB plus BC. So AB plus BC equal to 1 plus 1, 2. AC equal to AB plus BC, which is equal to AB is 1 unit plus BC is 1 unit. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. FG. This is FG. FG equal to 1. FG equal to 1. So AC is greater than FG. 2 is greater than 1. So AC is greater than FG is true. Second one, CD equal to GH. CD equal to 1 unit and GH is equal to 1 unit. So CD is equal to GH. So the statement is true. Third part, BC lesser than EH. So this is BC. BC equal to 1. BC equal to 1. EH equal to EF plus FG plus GH. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total 3. So BC is lesser than EH. So the statement is true. 1 is less than 3. So the statement is true.